What's up, YouTube? I found a boat. I'm on a boat. Well, me and Paul found a boat. I don't know if you see Paul. There he is. We found a paddle boat out of the river, just like out of the blue. There it is, just on the rocks. We're like, okay, let's put it on the water. Let's see if it works. See if it's gonna sink on us or not. And it didn't. So Paul, he's heavier than me. He hops in, didn't sink. I hop in, didn't sink. A couple rounds around the river now. We're just going back up and down the river. Look. Just going up and down the river. It's looking awesome. We're on a boat, bitch. We're just doing circles now. Why are we doing circles? Because of that. Because the rudder's like sideways. I'm on a boat, yo.
Let's see what's in that.
What's in what?
I bet there's some fish over there. There's always fish over there.
In those tree stumps?
Yeah, let's just get closer.
Okay.
Quietly.
Guess we're gonna go look for some fish. Alright, let's go. All quiet like with our paddle boat, because, you know, we're cool like that. Wish the river wasn't so damn trashy. It's horrible. What? Where? Oh look, yeah, they're back on the hillside. There's a big ass hillside over here. There. See, it goes up and down. There's people out there hiking on it. I don't know what they're looking for. Probably mushrooms, like turkey tails. But they're up there. Doing that thing. It's been a long time since I put a video on YouTube, and winter's coming up, so I figured I'd say hey.
When everybody falls through the ice on the river.
Yeah, we'll try to get some action of people falling through the ice again. So this time I'll actually upload it, but it's pretty awesome out here. We're on a paddle boat. We're in the paddle boat with a little rudder. I don't want to go look over there for fish. Fucking styrofoam cups floating around. This is awesome. Look at this. Just take it all in. Alright, well, I think 3 minutes of jibber jabber, whatever they'll call it, it's good enough. So, bye.